48 teams, 12 groups, one tournament nobody fully understands yet. Not even the fans who have watched football their whole lives. The World Cup just changed forever, and it starts in 4 days. Here is exactly how it works. The old World Cup had 32 teams, 8 groups of 4. Simple, clean, everyone understood it. FIFA blew that up. 2026 has 48 teams, 12 groups of 4. That is 16 more nations than any World Cup in history. Every team still plays 3 group matches. Win a game, you get 3 points. Draw a game, you get 1 point. Lose a game, you get nothing. The top 2 teams in each group advance automatically. That gives you 24 teams through. But 32 teams need to reach the knockout stage. So where do the other 8 come from? Third place. For the first time in World Cup history, finishing third can save you. 8 of the 12 third-place teams advance. But which 8? FIFA ranks all 12 third-place teams against each other. Points first, then goal difference, then goals scored. The 8 best records go through. The bottom 4 go home. This means a team can lose 2 group games and still reach the knockout stage. That has never been possible at a World Cup before. But here is where it gets complicated. The knockout stage is called the round of 32. This round has never existed at a World Cup before. 32 teams enter, 16 teams survive, 16 go home. After that, round of 16, quarterfinals, semifinals, final. To win this World Cup, a team must win 8 matches, not 7, 8. The old record was 7 wins for the champion. This is the hardest road to a World Cup title in history. Now, how does FIFA decide who plays who in the round of 32? This is the part that breaks people's brains. The 12 group winners face the 8 third-placed qualifiers. The 12 group runners-up face each other. But the exact matchups depend on which 8 third-place teams qualify. There are 495 possible combinations. 495. FIFA built an entire matrix to map every single one. It is called Annex C. It exists so no bracket is unfair. No group gets an easier ride. The matrix pre-decides every possible bracket outcome before the tournament starts. The day the group stage ends, FIFA checks which 8 third-place teams qualified. They find that combination in the matrix. The round of 32 bracket locks in automatically. No drama, no manual draw. The computer already decided it. So who benefits most from this new format? Smaller nations. Countries that have never reached a knockout stage now have 3 chances to get there. Africa went from 5 spots to 9. Asia went from 4 spots to 8. 48 countries means 48 different stories, 48 different heartbreaks, 48 different dreams. And it all starts in 4 days. The biggest World Cup in history, the most complex format ever built, one of the few people who actually understands it. The game has not changed. You have. You're welcome.